Hello and welcome to Internet Avail. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to delete YouTube channel accounts. The reason for deleting YouTube channel accounts can be due to unwanted content or the channel has some issues. Pretty simple steps, but before we get into our video, remember to subscribe to our channel. The first thing you need to do is go to any browser. I'll choose Google. After you get into your search browser, you need to search studio.youtube.com. Then you tap on YouTube Studio. There it opens. On the YouTube Studio, you need to select the option of settings. Click on the setting options. Under the settings option, there is the tab for the channel. Tab on the channel. Categories under the channel, there is the basic information, advanced settings, feature eligibility. So you don't need all those three, you just need one, the advanced settings. Scroll down under advanced settings. You will see the options of other settings: manage YouTube account or remove YouTube content. What we need right now is remove YouTube content. Tap on it. It will take you to use your key to confirm it's really you. You need to confirm before you proceed. It is not giving me an option to really confirm it's me, so I'll click on try another way. I'll choose enter my password. After I enter my password, it will take me to this option of remove YouTube content. It gives you the option to I want to hide my channel or delete permanently my content. So I'll choose to permanently delete my content because I want to delete my channel. On the scroll down, under the scroll down, there is some information about deleting the channel permanently. These are the content that are in your channel. You need to check to confirm you want to delete those contents. So I'll check on them. After you check on them, you can confirm that delete my content and your channel will be deleted. This is the way how to delete a YouTube channel account. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative information. I'll see you in the next video.